Alright, well, I told a few people about this, but I won a bowling ball on Chris Vi's live stream giveaway. Any Storm or Roto Grip bowling ball of your choosing. I went with an Idol Pro. Sorry, signaling to someone in the background. And this is from Storm, from the Brigham City plant. Yeah, it's addressed to me, so I did that one. I know what the Idol Pro looks like, and this is a 16-pounder, so obviously I know what's in there. I do that or a High Road X, so because they're pretty much the exact same thing, but just by different brands. You know, same in terms of reactivity. So, alright. Just a packing slip for Chris Vi, shipped to somebody else. There it is. Kinda wet. I guess it got caught in the rain. Yep, 15-pound Idol Pro. It said 16 for some reason in the package. It must have just been like the box added weight and everything. Well, there it is. A brand new Idol Pro from Roto Grip. What do you think of that? So, yeah, this is going to go in my arsenal as soon as I can get it drilled. Thanks for watching, guys.